Hey, JJ here from Mixed Media Woodworks. This is part one of my video log that had started out as a personal build for the musical side of me, wanting a bass to round out my quartet of music writing tools. Researching the proper ways of making a guitar from scratch to help me while I trimmed out this kit, I ran across several super YouTube guitar builders who make beautiful, magical, musical works of art using most of the skills I possess as a woodworker / mixed media artist. Face it, I just love making things. So I got a kit to get the basics out of the way and kind of get a feel for component parts. All you pros make building a neck look so easy, but I'm not there yet. Soon, maybe on the next build. I've got some great slabs of walnut that I laboriously planed down to 2 3/4 inches with a router sled, or the pile I'm still waiting on from the neighbor's ash when it got cut down. I got plenty of great starter pieces, but they're all taking a back seat for a bit while COVID-19 work and life just kind of sort themselves out a bit. So here is where it all started. I didn't film a lot of the action, but you can see where we're going to. Okay, so this is a fret wire kit. I got this at a reduced price because it was a customer return, I believe. This is a 30-inch short scale bass, P bass. I've played other people's full scale basses, and I'm a little uncomfortable because I'm not of large stature. My hands are not all that large, and that really is kind of a plus if you're a bass player. So I'm trying this 30-inch scale to see how it plays. Mostly, hey, it's just for me anyway. So if it works, it works. If it doesn't, my next build will be a full scale, and this one will just kind of hang on the wall. Who knows? One thing I did know, but since the price was right, it's given me a chance to kind of play around a little bit with some of the acrylic resins I like to play with. And we're going to try to get a multifaceted, deep type of layered finish. And to do that, we had to make it look ugly. And then we're going to make it look beautiful, at least we hope. And here is the process. Enjoy. Okay, so that's basically where we ended up as of today, as of right now, literally. As you can see, the kit came with a beautiful red pickguard, and it would look great on anything other than what I did. So that had to go. And we ended up with something that kind of looks like this. So that's kind of where we're at the end of part one here. We're going to try to get a little better in-depth look at that finish once I get closer to a final finish. We still have to do the sides and back, and that's going to be a whole nother problem. And we'll film all that, trials, tribulations, fails, and whatever it takes to get to where I consider it to be a finished body. Until then, JJ here. Stay upright, breathing, and creating. See you later.